Financial stress is something we all go through at some point in life. It's that constant worry about not having enough money, struggling to make ends meet, and feeling uncertain about the future. With rising living costs, job instability, and the pressure to keep up with trends, it's no surprise that money stress has become a major concern for so many of us. The truth is, financial stress impacts more than just our bank accounts. It affects our mental and emotional health too. When money is on our minds, it's hard to focus on other areas of life, leading to feelings of overwhelm, anxiety, and even depression. That's why it's so important to face this issue directly and find ways to manage money effectively. One big reason financial stress is so common is that many of us aren't equipped with the right tools or knowledge to manage money. Most of us didn't learn personal finance in school, leaving us to figure it out on our own. This can lead to costly mistakes like overspending, racking up debt, or missing out on investment opportunities. Managing money isn't easy. People often struggle with budgeting, saving, and handling unexpected costs. It's easy to get stuck in the cycle of earning and spending without thinking about the long-term effects. And then there are surprise expenses, like car repairs or medical bills that throw everything off balance. For many, financial insecurity feels like a constant weight on their shoulders. It's like walking on eggshells, never knowing when the next money emergency will hit. And it's not just about dollars and cents, it's also about the emotions tied to it. Fear, stress, and uncertainty. The challenges with money can feel overwhelming. From creating a workable budget, to dealing with debt, to saving for the future, it's a lot to juggle. And if you're barely making ends meet, it can feel like you're just keeping your head above water. Several factors fuel financial stress. Job instability makes it hard to plan ahead. Rising living costs mean our paychecks don't stretch as far as they used to. Even day-to-day essentials like groceries and rent can feel heavy on the budget. Take the example of someone saving for a house down payment. They might feel stuck, unable to move forward with their dreams. Or someone drowning in debt, struggling to keep up with endless bills and payments. Lack of financial literacy plays a huge role too. Without understanding how money works, making smart financial decisions becomes tough. This often leads to costly mistakes and a debt cycle that feels impossible to escape. But here's the good news. There's hope. By taking control and making small changes, we can reduce financial stress and build a more secure future. Something as simple as setting aside a little each month or cutting just one unnecessary expense can make a real difference. I've seen people turn their money situations around with small steps, like Sarah, who cleared her credit card debt by switching to cash payments, or John, who began saving for retirement by setting up automatic transfers from his paycheck. The key is, financial stress doesn't have to control us. By taking proactive steps, we can break free from the cycle of worry. It's not about perfection, it's about steady progress. To sum it up, financial stress is a common struggle caused by factors like job insecurity, rising costs, and lack of financial knowledge. But by taking charge and making small, smart changes, we can reduce stress and build a stronger financial future. It's crucial to tackle financial stress head-on. Doing so improves not just our finances, but also our mental and emotional well-being, helping us live a more balanced, fulfilling life. If you're dealing with financial stress, remember you're not alone. There are resources and strategies to help you get through it. And if you've faced financial stress yourself, I'd love to hear your story in the comments below. Don't miss my next video on budgeting tips and financial management strategies to help you take charge of your money and stress less. Technology can actually help reduce money stress. Budgeting apps, online savings tools, and automatic bill reminders make it easier to stay on track and avoid late fees. With just a smartphone, you can gain control over where your money goes. Another factor that adds to financial stress is comparison. Social media often makes us feel like everyone else is doing better financially, which can lead to overspending just to keep up. Reminding yourself that financial journeys are personal can ease that unnecessary pressure. Building an emergency fund is one of the best ways to fight financial anxiety. Even having a small cushion, just enough to cover 1 month of expenses, can bring peace of mind and prevent panic when unexpected costs pop up. Finally, seeking support can make a huge difference. Talking openly about money with family, friends, or even a financial advisor can lighten the emotional load. You don't have to face financial stress alone. Sharing your struggles can be the first step to finding solutions.